Kellen stood on the observation deck, a sea of steel and ambition stretching out before him. As chief engineer, this wasn't just a construction site. It was his symphony, and he was the conductor. Below, the colossal megastadium began to take shape, a testament not just to human ingenuity, but to a new dawn of creation. The morning sun glinted off the titanium alloy framework, casting long shadows that danced across the landscape. This was more than a building. It was a dream being forged into reality. One beam at a time, the scale was almost unimaginable. A project that would redefine what was possible in architecture. Every day brought a new rhythm to the site. Down on the ground, a fleet of advanced, autonomous machines moved with an eerie, coordinated grace. These weren't your typical construction vehicles. They were silent, electric behemoths guided by complex algorithms, weaving between structures with precision that no human hand could match. Towering above them, giant cranes like metallic giraffes gracefully lifted prefabricated sections, each weighing hundreds of tons. They moved in perfect unison. A ballet of machinery orchestrated by a central AI that Kellen himself had helped to design. The air hummed not with the roar of diesel engines, but with the quiet, powerful whir of electric motors and the low thrum of anti-gravity stabilizers. It was a vision of the future. Happening right now. Then came the moment that would define the entire project, the day the domes. Final keystone was to be set. Everything went quiet. The autonomous ballet paused. All eyes, both human and robotic, turned upward. A specialized heavy-lift drone, a marvel of engineering, ascended slowly, carrying the massive crescent-shaped keystone. It was the heart of the dome. The single piece that would lock the entire structure together, making it self-supporting. Kellen held his breath as the drone maneuvered the keystone into position, centimeters from its final resting place. The magnetic locks engaged with a deep, resonant boom that echoed across the site. A wave of cheers erupted. The dome was complete. As dust began to settle, casting the sky in shades of orange and purple, Kellen remained on the deck, observing the now near-complete megastructure. The stadium seemed to breathe, its bioluminescent panels starting to glow softly in the fading light. It was more than just a stadium. It was a symbol of a new era, a monument to what humanity could achieve when it dared to build its dreams. The first star appeared in the sky, reflected in the stadium's vast, curved roof. A new age of architectural wonder had just begun. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, be sure to subscribe for more.